You hear the sounds of the Little River? It's gorgeous here, isn't it? I'm in Pelgaon, my first morning in Pelgaon, and this morning I've been wondering, what took me so long to just get back here? People say travel is all about just buying that one ticket. Is it really? Maybe, maybe not. What if there is a larger play to it? Something magical in Dubai? Or at least that's how I look at life. And personally, if you ask me, I believe places call us. And I also believe journeys are all about divine time. 30 years ago, I landed up in Kashmir as a teenager thanks to one spontaneous ticket purchase by my papa at Jammu railway station who hopped on a bus to Srinagar. When we were scheduled to go to Vaishno Devi, the shrine, it's one of my favorite places. And we got to know that the weather conditions ahead were not good and we would have to stay back in Jammu. And he said, oh, why stay in Jammu? He just decided that ticket of the bus standing ahead. And all four of us just hopped onto the bus for a great adventure. It really was an adventure. Because the fun part, we did not have winter clothes. We did not have additional money for a trip ahead. We had no bookings. We knew nothing. We didn't even know where we were going to stay, what we were going to do. And these are times when there were no mobile phones, there were no ATMs, there were no apps that would book our tickets or stay. And yet, in complete surrender to what our dad decided for us, we just went ahead. And wow, what a trip and what memories. We gathered so many memories and had such amazing adventures on that trip that me and my family talk about till date. It was beautiful. Unfortunately, my papa passed away just few years after that trip. But he left us with such amazing memories and journeys that we've done together. It's just these little moments that make life so worthwhile. And I was thinking since morning, maybe Kashmir did call out to my papa that day. And maybe papa just was a good listener and followed the calling. There's so many what ifs and maybes, right? When you look back. And the other thing that I've been thinking since morning isn't life all about following these callings? What if the universe actually sends us lots of nudges and whispers, and our job is just to take that next step forward in complete faith and surrender? And just know that, it will open up something amazing and magical for us. I'm not saying that it's easy for me every time, but I do follow my calling sooner or later. And not just travel, I'm talking about life. And I think it's thanks to my papa and the spontaneous things he used to make us do. I'll leave you with a thought. Maybe life is about divine timing and free will choices. What if the universe is constantly sending us invitations to new journeys, and our job is just to trust the universe and hop on board on that bus like my papa did? Tell me what you think about this topic. I'd love to hear more from you. You leave me comments and let's have a conversation on this. I'm going to spend a little more time here in this gorgeous location, and I'm on this amazing trip, so you're going to get beautiful more locations and thoughts. I'm Payal here, and until I come back with more unfiltered thoughts, see you.